Hello, welcome to my channel NG Defense Talk. After Operation Sindoor, when Pakistan attacked India with missile, drone and long-range bomb, then all Pakistan's attacks were easily failed by a single Indian system, which changed the whole game of Operation Sindoor. But what is this system? Today we will know in this video. So without further delay, let's start. On 7th May, at the time 1:05 am to 1:30 am, India attacked on 13 terrorist camps in Pakistan and 8 Pakistan Air Force bases that were used as a training camp for terrorists. Then Pakistan also responded by launching missile and drone attack on India, and at the moment this Indian system failed every Pakistani attacks within Pakistan's airspaces, and the name of this system Akashteer. This system is completely autonomous. It is command, control, communication, computerized intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance platform. Purpose of Akashteer was built to integrate radar, sensor, communication and air defense system into a seamless combat cloud. But what sets it apart is more than just integration. It is the intelligence that drives it. Akashteer system work by seeing, observing and diagnosing impending dangers itself, rather than relying on a human-powered and command chain system. The biggest feature of Akashteer system is that it is made with indigenous technology. That's mean it's made by Bharat Electronics Limited. This system is 100% designed and manufactured in India. Not only that, Akashteer has also proven itself in the field of war. When Pakistan attacked on India and Akashteer failed all the threats. Unified air picture. Akashteer integrates radar from Army and Indian Air Force, giving even fourth line air defense unit a real-time view of friendly and hostile movement. Combat autonomous. It eliminates the need for manual data input or centralized command delays, enabling intent threat recognition and engagement. Stealth interception. Capable of tracking and neutralize drones without active radars, using passive sensor, satellite feed and AI decision making. Akashteer's success is not just technical, it also indicates a doctrine foundation. India's traditional air defense system has been reactive, retaliation, real-time counter-attacks and digital warfare superiority. If you have any question regarding this video, please tell me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please like and share it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Keep signing on.